Bells Ring. Slay, S-L-A-Y.
So, Abby Bonker went up to the table, reached into the hat, how many characters, and grabbed 2 men, 3 women.
First line.
Where were you?
Object.
Incense.
Location.
Department store, the day before Christmas.
Yes.
So,
Anybody who's worked retail, you know. Right?
directed by Shelley Brewer. You guys ready?
Almost. Okay, so we have to. So in the next season, we are doing, the first one is going to be Present Lives by Noel Howard. Auditions are July 18th and 19th, just in case you wanted to know. Okay. Then it's the musical Brigadoon. Then somebody else is doing this play called something about a wolf or something. Oh yeah, it's you. Who's afraid of Virginia Woolf? That was it. I can't do that. We already paid for it, dude.
All right.
And then our next musical is Alice in Wonderland. And then we have Sweet Delilah Swim Club, which will be directed by our wonderful Debbie Halverson, who you already saw. And then in July, we're going to have an Agatha Christie mystery, A Murder is Announced, directed by Julie Fetzer. I think that's all.
I think we stretched long.
You think?
Wait.
All right then.
Where were you?
Hello? Who's there?
Yes, I know you left food in the microwave, but I don't like fish sticks. They upset my sensitive tummy.
Hello? What's going on?
Oh, crap. Is this thing on? Oh. Ma! Ma! Call you later about that. Hang up now, Ma. Okay. No. Yes. Okay, my constipation's fine. I gotta go. I got work to do. Well, I love you too. How much of that did you hear?
Everything?
Stupid.
Hey, dude. It's okay. The others are still unconscious, so it was only me that heard it.
Really?
Yeah, they're out as a light.
Oh, great. That's a relief.
Can I ask you a simple question?
Oh, yeah. Go ahead.
I'm gonna say this in the nicest way possible.
Yeah.
What the hell is going on here?
Oh, yeah. Right. Hey, can we all just start over, please? You know, we're just gonna start over one.
I guess.
Okay. Music. Low. Close your eyes. Pretend you're still unconscious. None of this has happened. Okay. 1 sec. Just let me get the lights. Like, crap! Yeah, okay. Right, okay. My minutes already.
What's right on?
Well, you're probably wondering where you are.
Yeah, that's why I asked.
I'll tell you where you might be.
Isn't this Norby's department store?
You might be in the room you die in.
Wait a second. Isn't this the speech from that one movie, you know, with the puppet?
Yeah, you like
No, it's a Tracy. Yeah.
What's
Serious! In the center of the room,
what in the world?
we'll find a box.
Box.
There's nothing there.
Yeah, I don't see anything.
Oh wait, I see it. Oh no, that's just candy canes. Sorry.
In that box, you'll find a hacksaw.
Seriously, dude. There's nothing there. We don't see no box.
No, there
Really?
literally is nothing there.
No.
Oh, wait. I think I see it. Here.
Is it there?
Is this it? No, that's a ball.
That's clearly not a box.
Well, I don't know what it looks like. I'm not sure what you're asking. What? You gotta tell me what it's all about.
It's a box. It's rectangular. It has a lid. It looks like, oh shit.
Did you find your box?
Yeah. In the center of the room, you'll find
Are we really doing this again?
Yeah, the suspense, the magic is ruined now. So,
I found the box.
In that box, you'll find a...
No, we already know what's in the box. Hey, I want to know what's in the box.
Okay, I just really need you to open the box.
fine. I'll open your stupid box.
Inside the box, you'll find a hacksaw. Who lives and dies now is in your hands.
Hey, are you sure you got the right box?
Well, I've hidden a key inside one of your bodies, and...
Because I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. Since
She's always messing with my packets. It all mixed up. Is this incense or... Oh, man.
Supposed to be a hacksaw. We all know.
Oh, well, forget the box. Skip the box. I suppose you're wondering what you're doing here. I said, I suppose you're wondering what you're doing here.
No, we heard you.
yeah, it's obvious you're gonna kill us, but it doesn't really matter why.
Oh, yes, it does. It matters greatly why. I've got this whole thing spelled out for you. I got this speech, and I've been practicing it all week.
Well, go ahead and give it.
I'm not
Where are
gonna-
we gonna go?
I'm not going to do it if you're not going to listen.
We'll listen. We'll listen.
I don't want to.
Come on.
No, you're not.
We'll listen.
Oh,
I swear.
please
I
tell
swear.
us.
Okay,
Come on.
fine. But you better not laugh, okay? Because I've been working like really hard on this.
I'm sure you'll do great.
Who's here? Hello, Chief Wilson.
Hi.
Not supposed to say anything. Now I'm going to start all over again. Hello, Keith Wilson. I bet you are wondering what you, a perfectly healthy, sane, middle-class man is doing here, trapped within these four walls, confined to my childhood home in Haydenfield. Oh wait, yeah, I can't, we're supposed to be doing these murders in my childhood home. Yeah, but no. My brother Mikey came home for the weekend. My ma's all about, Ma! She's out saying, we can't do anything fun while Mikey's here. It's all about Mikey, Mikey, Mikey! I'm sorry. Can I start over again? Okay. Hello, Keith. Where's that? Oh, yada, yada, yada. You are confined to a department store. And, forgot. Okay, you're here because you gave me 3 shots of vanilla in my macchiato, and I only asked for 2.
That seems pretty petty.
Yeah. I mean, why don't you just have him remake the drink?
It was super long line, and like, I'm really running behind. Oh, wait. Which brings me to you, Stacy Murphy.
Oh, wait a second. I know you.
You don't?
Yes, I do. You're the guy who wanted to book a psychiatry appointment with me, and my secretary told you that I only have Tuesdays available when you wanted Mondays. So you told her she was gonna die in some horrible fire, flipped our coffee table, and stole our waiting room copy of National Geographic.
Wasn't me, okay?
Listen, I would really like to see you about those anger management issues.
Okay, I told you, Tuesdays are just not a good day for me.
Hey! Do me!
Okay, now, we're here because you two, who the hell are you?
I'm Missy,
And I'm Sissy.
and we just wanted to be included.
What? Yeah. We were stocking the toys, you know, for the last minute Christmas shoppers, and we saw you guys, you know, like laying there, and we thought, well, it'd be fun, so we just wanted to join you.
So you weren't kidnapped?
Oh no, only dummies get kidnapped, and we're not dummies.
I'm sorry, we got kidnapped.
I think we have a couple of dummies here.
So you didn't even bother to check to see if the store was empty before you brought us here?
Okay, it's a big building, dude.
I gotta get back to work.
Wait, what? You two weren't tied up? No. So you could have gotten us out of here?
Well, I guess so. Oopsie.
So you'll get help.
No! You sit down now!
What are you doing?
Getting kidnapped.
Well, we don't get off for 3 hours yet. Our boss really doesn't like it when we clock out early.
Okay, now that I have the 2 of you here together, we're gonna play a little game.
The 4 of us. We're here too?
Yeah, there's 4 of us.
Okay, I
See,
rehearsed
one,
this
two, three,
for
four.
2. Fine. Now that the 4 of you are all together, we're gonna play a little game.
Oh, I love games. Scrabble and Monopoly.
You guys probably can't play very well.
not that kind of game. It's a murder game. You play it to the death.
That doesn't really sound very fun.
Well, it's not supposed to be fun.
Well, then, why do you call it a game then?
Listen, I'm just doing my best here, okay? You sound like my mom! All she talks about is Mikey. Why can't you be more like your brother Mikey? Mikey doesn't play games. Mikey just sneaks up on teenagers and he kills them! Well, I'm not Mike Myers. I'm Reggie Myers. Reggie Samantha Myers. I am my own true self.
You know, I really think that it's not us that you're trying to murder, but it's the little boy inside of you who is so desperately looking for the approval of his mother.
Yeah, maybe she's right. This whole thing seems just a little detrimental. Don't you just, maybe you just need to find something your own way.
I know. Maybe we need a really cool name so that when the reporters come and they find our dead and disemboweled bodies all over the floor.
No disemboweled bodies. I'm a little squeamish, but that's
Well, I think you chose the wrong line of work there, bud.
I think we got something with this name. You guys got any ideas?
Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay, how about this? Just this. The suspense.
The suspense?
Yeah. Okay, so you're telling me. No. The suspense is killing me.
That's a wonderful name for a serial killer.
I'm not actually a serial killer. I haven't killed anybody yet.
What? You haven't killed anybody? Not once?
Well, you know, you were going to be my first. How am I doing? Are you scared?
Yeah, I guess.
Well, how about if I told you that I almost chopped the hand off of a waitress at Denny's? Yeah, that'd be scary, wouldn't it? Huh? Yeah, she was going to serve me home fries, and I asked for hash browns! Makes my blood boil.
So, you just did that right there in the restaurant? Weren't you afraid you'd be caught?
Well, it was a risk I was going to take.
I don't get it.
Even my jokes don't kill. Maybe my mom was right about me.
Listen, everybody blossoms in their own time. Maybe you just need to stop comparing yourself to your brother.
Stop bringing up my brother! I'm better than him. He is nothing!
Well, we're still alive, so you can...
Well, you think you can do better than this? Huh? Than me at this?
No.
I think you're doing great.
Oh, I think we can do better.
Hand me your knife.
asked him. I gotta remember this. This is good.
Now, watch and learn.
Okay.
1, 2, guess who's coming for you? Keith Wilson! You make bad coffee! You die!
Tasty Murphy! You know that Tuesdays are bad for everyone! You die! I haven't done anything yet. I'm sorry.
And you!
What's his name?
Reggie.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's you're yours, Reggie.
And you, Reggie!
Your games are fun! And I don't like you. You die!
Oh, God, that hurts. Oh, that hurts so much. I'm gonna
I think you better call our brother.
Yeah, okay, I guess so. Hey, Freddie? Yeah, we did it again. I think you need to come and pick us up. Yeah, well, it's an absolute nightmare here. I think we're going to get fired. Again.
Missy?
And Sissy Kruger.
We'll
We'll never
escape our family name.
All right,
Even though I have faith.
like I said, don't know what you're gonna get. So, thank you very much for coming out. Hope you have a good time, and have a good evening.